Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use break of structure for entry. So if you've watched my previous video on break of structure, market structure shifts, and liquidity sweeps, then you'll understand what a break of structure is. For those of you who don't, I'd advise going to watch that video, but for now, I'm just going to do a rough demonstration of what a break of structure is. Okay, so right here, we have a rough bullish graph. So as you can see, how price is constantly moving up, and we are creating higher highs, closing above the previous highs. So this is the trend continuation, which is exactly what a break of structure is. So notice how every time we come higher, we close above the previous high. That is called an uptrend, creating higher highs, breaking the previous highs. So this is going to be your first part to the break of structure. Now what you can notice, every single time we get our break of structure and we close above, we get a slight retracement back inside the range. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can capitalize off the retracement back into the range. Okay, so here I am on XAU/USD on the 5-minute time frame. So what we can see here is price has pulled higher, tapped into a 30-minute fair value gap. Now what we can see here, the trend is bearish. We've got a slight pullback to tap into our inefficiency to then send price lower. Now what do we have here? Break of structure. We break with this leg here. Got break of structure here, breaking with this leg here. So we're looking for another break of structure. What we see after every break of structure is a slight retracement back inside the range. As you can see here, break of structure, retracement back inside the range. So now looking at this low right here, we have our break of structure. Now what is our break of structure aligning with? It's aligning perfectly with a 5-minute fair value gap. So we're going to be measuring the high to the low of this fair value gap. Bearish fair value gap aligning with the trend. Also aligning with our break of structure, so you can use this break of structure as your entry point inside of this fair value gap. Look how we came and retested this perfectly with this candle right here. Entry on the low that was broken, stop loss above this high here, and then you'll be looking for the continuation lower to take out lower price. As you can see, just like that, we would have had a winning trade with this wick here. So what are we going to be looking for with breaks of structure? We are looking for the continuation of the current trend. So as you can see in this instance, the trend was bearish. We were creating lower lows, breaking the previous legs, and getting retracements back inside of the range. So what we're looking for after our break of structure is we're looking for our retracement back inside the range. As you can see, after breaking this leg here with this leg, we've come back higher to retest the zone that was originally broken inside of a fair value gap. So the break of structure is indicating the continuation of the trend. We get exactly that, and as you can see, we have lower price. Now it happened again right here. As you can see, this low was being swept by this candle, and then the next candle came and closed below it, creating a break of structure, also creating another fair value gap. So we know that with this break of structure and this fair value gap, that this is the break of structure is indicating the continuation, and the fair value gap is offering the entry. So right here with your bearish fair value gap, we have now got another entry model, another entry point inside this continuation leg, and we are just coming lower to create lower price. So here's another example on XAU/USD on the 5-minute. We have swept this low down here, no candle closures below, just a complete hunt on this low. So now we've taken out this low, which has given us momentum to move price higher. As you can see, this prominent wick right here in the market, valid closure above, extending this out. This is going to be our break of structure. Now what does this break of structure align with? It aligns with a bullish fair value gap from this high to this low right here. That's going to be our bullish fair value gap. So where could your potential entry have been in here? It could have either been the top of the fair value gap right here, or it could have been retesting the broken high right here, stop loss below the previous wick, targeting swing high right here, and there you go. Just like that, we've got another winning trade. Now seeing how price is continuing the trend higher, you can notice how we are just creating higher highs, breaking the previous highs. Every time we break a previous high, we get a slight pullback into the range. This is to gather liquidity and buying orders. So as you can see here, we got offered a new entry point, this fair value gap. Right here we got offered another entry point, this fair value gap after breaking structure. Right here, what do we have? Another break of structure, this candle closing above. Then we get our retracement back inside the range, where you could have used both fair value gaps this time. Both fair value gaps held really well. And then we got our continuation higher, continuing the trend. As you can see, we've got one more option right here. This one sort of failed after getting entry due to the sweep of this high here. So just make sure you're looking where you are in the market. But we did get offered another entry point right here in the market. This fair value gap, break of structure here, retracement to the fair value gap, continuation higher. However, we swept the highs, so we then reversed the trend downwards. So this was the high that I was just highlighting in my recent examples. As you can see, we have hourly closures below it, sweeping it. So now we're going to be dropping back down to the 5-minute time frame. So this here was the high that was swept. As you can see, now there is a trend reversal. So we're looking for breaks of structure indicating the continuation of the trend reversal. Okay, so right here we were offered a valid entry point. So as you can see, the trend has reversed into a bearish trend. We are breaking previous lows. Now there aren't many fair value gaps being created. We are inside a bit of a choppy range here. So we're looking for the first break of structure to be created. Right here we have our break of structure and our pullback to our inefficiency, which is this fair value gap right here. So what happens once price enters this fair value gap? We then get our entry point right there, stop loss above the high, target in lower price. This right here could have been a valid target. Swing low, price came to take this out perfectly, and you would have caught a 1 to 2 RR trade right there. Okay, so here I am on Bitcoin on the hourly time frame, showing you how it works on a different pair and a different time frame. So right down here we have our hourly sweep. As you can see, this prominent wick got taken out by these lows down here, which gave us buying momentum to send price higher, breaking a previous swing high. Right here, this high being broken by this candle, and this candle breaking with this candle. So as you can see, we got our retracement back inside the range. Fair value gap right here on the hourly time frame. Could have been a valid entry point. As you can see, as soon as price tapped into this fair value gap, we had massive run and a hunt on buy side liquidity. So you could have had your TP right here resting on this swing high, and you would have had another winning trade. Okay, so right here, same time frame, same asset, we have our valid swing low right here. Price came lower, hunted out this zone down here, creating buying pressure. Where are our swing highs? We have a swing high right here and another swing high right here. So these could be our bullish targets now. So as you can see, after breaking structure, after sweeping out these lows, we created a break of structure right here with this high, body closure here. Now this body closure offered a fair value gap right here being created. So that is your potential entry point in the market, getting in where we originally broke structure for a better risk to reward. Stop loss below the low, the previous low. And then your TPs could have been this swing high here, this swing high, and potentially even this swing high up here. However, this would have been quite a long trade. As you can see, this is also the hourly time frame. From entry, this would have been a two-day trade. Okay, so right here, I have two examples. As you can see, we've got a low down here. Low being swept, creating our manipulation higher. High being left right here. Breaking structure with this candle here. Getting our push up higher, and then we're getting a retracement back inside after breaking structure. We offered a fair value gap entry right here in the markets. Also another sweep of liquidity inside of the fair value gap, so this could have been another entry in itself right there after sweeping liquidity inside the fair value gap. Stop loss below this wick, targeting higher price. As you can see, this is the 5-minute time frame, so this would have been a valid entry for me personally trading this pair. However, I don't trade forex currently. So as you can see, we had a hunt back up to this valid swing high, which is also an intermediate term high. So we've broke structure, swept a low, created a fair value gap, created a swing high, valid target, clear bullish order flow, retracement to our inefficiency, sweeping another low, valid entry point, and another winning trade. This would have been a 1 to 6 RR. A+ trade in my opinion. So this is a fractal model, meaning that whatever happens on the higher time frame can also happen on the lower time frames. So as you can see right here, another break of structure, price came above this prominent high, closing with this wick here and creating another fair value gap. Fair value gap created right here. Entry point for a better risk to reward could have been where price broke. So this on the hourly time frame could have been a valid entry. As you can see, it's currently pushing up higher. However, using this as a fractal model, we'll be now going to a lower time frame, looking exactly where price tapped this low, knowing that on the higher time frame, bullish order flow is kicking in, seeing that fractal model taking place on the higher time frame. We're now looking for a lower time frame entry point. So right here, as you can see, we've created another 5-minute fair value gap after breaking on the higher time frames. So this 5-minute fair value gap could have been another entry model on the lower time frame for a more precise entry. And as you can see, it would have given you a bit of a choppy trade. However, it's still moving in your favor. So that is going to be all for today's video on how to enter trades off break of structure. So our keynotes for today's video is going to be breaks of structure offer continuations for the current trend, entry point being the retracement. So what this means is, so as I have just demonstrated, every time we break a high, we tend to get a retracement back inside of the range. So on these retracements, it offers you lower price, but also an indication that the trend is going to be continued higher. So essentially what these retracements do is they look to hunt inefficiencies, fill orders to then send price higher. So what you can do knowing this is look for a potential entry point off the retracements after the breaks of structure. So I am currently in the process of making courses and PDFs to simplify these concepts for any people that are confused. So if you want to join my Discord to be the first to know when these are coming out, the link is in the description of this video. But yeah, that is going to be all for today's video.